Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, ngayon guys, kain tayo ng champurrado. It's steamed rice with chocolate, native chocolate, lugaw or sweet lugaw. First, shout out Shen Music Salon. Yan, Ma'am Shen is playing. Okay, next is Fatima, Ma'am Fatima Shahida. Okay, then I'm watching also Mr. John from Life. No, meron pa tayo sa kabila si Pam, living after 50s. Yan, living after 50s. Against the light, may light kasi doon, no? Oops, my wife, beautiful wife. Amaga. Wow, this is sambong herbal tea, good for those. Okay, this for may kidney stones, tanggal nito. Anyway, yan ka muna. So our pictures for today, channel pictures is Pink 26 Lover. Yan, si Ma'am Pink 26 Lover. Okay, at saka si Ma'am Honey Pie. Okay, so play tayo ng isang video, one video each. Ito yung bagong video ni Ma'am Honey. Saka ito kang Pink. Dito tayo sa okay, ito. So while eating, while waiting for sa kanilang videos, so kain na tayo. Let's eat. Ito yung masarap na champurrado. Yan, luto ni Mrs. Lisa. So it's very hot. So shout out mo tayo. Shout out tayo sa nag-comment sa video ko. Ito na pala yung kita natin, guys. So this is my submit 21 to 26 magpapang natin ng kita sa YouTube. So ito na. Ano ngayon? May April, May. Yan. Last month to. Ngayon, ito lang kita ko ngayon. Sa May earnings is 1.43 lang. So, thank you guys for supporting. Okay. So, salamat sa nagbigay ng super thanks, Ma'am Shen, Enjoy from Life, Honey Pie, saka si Lover, Pink 26 Lover, si Living After 50s, at saka si Ma'am Fatima Shahida. Anyway, at saka lahat kayo guys sa support. Thank you for your support, guys. Ito, shout out mo tayo. Ayan, dito sa si ano pa yun. Ito si World Nature. Yan. Ito naman si Ma'am Irene. Yan. Shout out Ma'am Irene. Vlog. Yan. Si Natalie Jern. Yan. Shout out. So, ang ating member na si Ma'am Fatima. Up and down. Ayun. Yan si Mikoto Sen. Yan si Ma'am. Kaya mo tayo. Mamaya, shout out pa rin tayo. Naka-play na pala ng natin. Picture channel. Yan. Si Pink 96 Lover. Don't forget to subscribe their channel. Then please visit and support them, guys. Let's support Ma'am Fatima, Ma'am Shen, Learn from Life, and Living After 50s. So si Hanipay naglo-loading pa. Mamaya kaya mo tayo. It's it, guys. Set out din kay appetizer items yan. So meron pang bago si Shayari Best. Yan. Shout out. Saka shout out to Civil Engineering with Tarik. Yan, shout out sir. Shout out din si Orbix Kun Pili Kiri. So Miko Tesen, shout out. Wakhong Official, shout out. Shout out din si Fish 1999. Hindi ko nakita yung kuan niya. Fish 1999. At saka si Ronald the Farm Boy. Yan. Ito yung shout out ko. Ito yung this subscribers visit my channels. So I give them also the credit of fun. I'll promote their channel also. Thank you. Edison Bartuloy, shout out. Game Buya TV, shout out. Yan. Si Ma'am kini ito. Si Ma'am Liza Tony, shout out. Kasi Lumaga Vlog. Yeah. Pero nahulog Yan. Kasi Isarugman, shout out. Yan. Si Grandma Oti, yan, shout out. Okay. At kasi yung si Bossing DJ Mix Vlog, yan, Bossing. Don't forget to watch his videos, guys. Yan. Yan si Bossing from Negros. Meron siyang bagong vlog, yung unboxing. Ito pala si Ma'am Fatima na post ko. Anyway, malapit na siya natapos. 7 minutes pa lang na-play ko sa kanya. So, may second part tayo, guys.